Hi, I'm Morgan from Kingdom Bees Beekeeping, and we're really excited about the launch of our beekeeping video course, which is going live on the 11th of April 2025. In the course, we'll be teaching you how to go from getting your first colony of bees to harvesting your first honey. So we're cutting out any unnecessary information. We're just teaching you guys how to get bees from either from swarm trapping or from safe relocations or from buying bees to placing those bees in a suitable apiary site and managing those bees to a stage where you can harvest your first honey. So whether you are a hobby beekeeper or you'd like to turn this into a business, we are there to help you through this process. When you buy the course, you immediately are added to our support group where we can assist you with any questions you may have. So if you haven't dropped us your email yet, please drop your email so that we can keep you updated on the course launch. And you can also qualify for the launch special, which will be available on the 11th of April. So we'll see you in the course. Cheers.